Chapter 5 Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2013. Recapitulation. Microsoft Office is a bundle of different softwares like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, etc. Central idea. The basic features of MS PowerPoint. Learn how to use PowerPoint to capture your ideas in outline form and convert those ideas into multimedia presentations. Learn how to use the application to create your own presentations with the help of one of the PowerPoint wizard. MS PowerPoint 2013. A PowerPoint presentation is made up of a series of slides. These slides are arranged in order to form a slideshow. A slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. Starting Microsoft PowerPoint. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office 2013. Step 4. Click on PowerPoint 2013. You are presented with the screen below. Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Ribbon, Title Placeholder, Subtitle Placeholder, Work Area, Thumbnail Slide. To create a new presentation. Step 1. Select File tab. Step 2. Select New on the left side of the window. Step 3. Select Blank Presentation or choose a theme. A new presentation with blank slide will appear. Working on a slide. In PowerPoint, you work with slides to make a presentation. You can add additional slides to meet your requirement. These slides are displayed in sequence to form a presentation. The first slide has a layout for a title slide. The layout has two boxes with a dotted frame. These boxes are called placeholders. Placeholder. Type title here. Type subtitle here. There is a difference between a text placeholder and a text box. You cannot insert text placeholders on a slide since they are part of the layout for your slide. Text boxes need to be inserted manually on the slide. Design theme. When you open PowerPoint, you will see the built-in colorful slide designs known as themes that you can apply to your presentations. Step 1. Select the Design tab. Step 2. The All Themes window will appear with available presentation themes. Select any one theme. Adding new slides. To add a new slide in the presentation, do the following. Step 1. Select Home tab. Step 2. Click on New slide. Step 3. Click on Blank. The above steps helps to add a blank slide after the slide you are currently on. Let us create a slide with an image and a text as shown below. 1. Steps to enter text. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Add text box by selecting Text box. Click once where you want the text to start and begin typing. It enlarges as you type more text. Note: if you click outside the text box, Before typing in it, the box disappears. However, it is still there but invisible. You can format text as word art in PowerPoint to add decorative effects to your text. 2. Step of formatting text as word art. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. From the drawing tools, select Format tab. Step 3. From the Word Art Styles group, select the Word Art style to apply. 3. Steps of changing the font and font size of the text. Step 1. Select Home tab. Step 2. Select your favorite font for the text from drop-down list. Step 3. Select font size from drop-down list. 4. Now insert images. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Picture. Step 3. Select mouse image stored on your local drive with the help of your teacher. Deleting slides. Step 1. Right-click mouse on the slide which you want to delete. Step 2. Select Delete Slide. Saving your presentation. Step 1. On the File tab, choose Save As. Step 2. Click Browse to select the location. Step 3. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation and then choose Save. Viewing a presentation. Once your slideshow is complete, you will need to present it to an audience. Press the F5 key at the top of your keyboard. The presentation will appear in full screen mode. You can also click the Slideshow tab on the ribbon to begin a presentation from the current slide.